This is Hasna Dhore. She was an early 20th century Somali female commander of the dervish state, a state which frequently engaged in battles against the imperial powers during the Somaliland campaign. More than 20% of the Somali resistance was comprised of Somali women. Dhore was one of the wives of the Somali nationalist and religious leader Mohammed Abdullah Hassan, who assigned her one of the regiments of the dervish army. The mullah's wife was the third highest-ranked dervish commander. During that time, many dervishes rode on horseback, even though most northern Somalis were not horsemen. In his biography of Muhammad Abdullah Hassan, the author Ray Beachy compared Dhore to the ancient British Queen Boadicea in her struggle against the Roman Empire. But unlike Boadicea, Hasna was reduced to a mythical existence, whose fate was to die in anonymity.